20 hertz, that's pretty impressive, man. Wow. It did?
That's why I bolted it, because I welded this piece right here where the window frame was. It broke. So I had to...
Can I hit right here? I still got a little bit of work to do, maybe. If you want to gain, try to make that solid. Yeah, right People gain like a dB for, oh, there it is, good right there. Oh, you can still put this down.
I know there's probably an air gap in there.
Yeah.
You know, it's a work in progress.
It's still great, man. But this right here, I mean, that right there helped you a lot bolting it down.
This thing was going out this far because,
woo!
Like I said, this part broke.
Man.
And I
yeah.
didn't know what else to do after welding it.
Yep. That's what works.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High.
Oh, I go on the other side? Look up. The door is bolted shut.
Yeah.
That helps the pressure.
He's got a fan for you now.
Nice. You too, man. Oh yeah? Yeah, yeah.
That thing's awesome.
Be careful with the subs on it now.
It looks like
It does?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. The door is bolted shut.
Yeah.
That helps the pressure.
He's got a fan for you now.
I'm sure the fan is the subwoofer pressure.
Keep your nuts off your legs. You'll be fine.
No. Hey, there's some systems I've been in, it'll bounce and hurt you. So before the demo, can you talk real quick? So what's your name? What's in here, man?
XV Ethan, 3XV3, 15 Sundowns. 15K base.
Wow.
Wired to 1
This is unique. So it used to be 4.
Yeah.
And you turn it
in a 4th order. Now it's 3 and 6th order.
What do you like more?
Lows.
6th order lows, got it. Wow. Is that a 6-inch or 8-inch board? 6th order, or what size is custom?
It's a 4-inch by almost 2 foot.
Okay. You built this?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Wow.
Any SPL test in here?
Before I bolted the door, I hit a 155.5 at 31 hertz.
Wow. All right. Nice.
Can't do any tests from this thing.
Okay. Yes, sir. Hey, windy. That's low. How low was that frequency? 20. That was 20. Hey, that was 20. Whoa. I thought it was a big 20. Oh, yeah. That felt like 24, 25. 20 hertz, that's pretty impressive, man. Wow. You like it really low, it seems. Man. So is this a project vehicle or daily driver or what?
Daily.
Okay.
Yep. Used to be skating around to skate parks with it too.
Sweet.
Got a skateboard drag.
Yeah.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High.